Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is We Still A Learn speaking, and in the spirit of that, wait, whoa. Did Google just hold on? We Still A Learn. So why did it that? I thought Google was responding to my voice just now. Yeah, that was kind of scary. I won't lie to you, because I did not type anything. It literally just, I don't know. For a second, you know what? Okay, here we go. All right, so we have the Facebook, we have the Instagram, we also have the YouTube, right? So it's not giving us the YouTube as a standalone page, but it's fine. I think it's the inactivity, perhaps. So let's.
Friday.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Let me mute myself for a minute. Alright, let's click on this here. Let's click on the name. And here we are. So you can use the video to find the page itself. And of course, click on the writing in blue. Naturally, if you want to sign up for the class, the first link that you see, that's what we're going to click. If you know how to sign up the first person tutor forum, you do the same thing here. I'm going to pretend to be an adult, right? Right, I'm going to pretend to be an adult. And when I say an adult learner, right? So I'm not signing up on behalf of a child in school. I'll be signing up on behalf of myself. So by doing this, you're signing up for you as the adult learner, right? But of course, I mean, I think this would be more appropriate for first person tutor than We Still A Learn. So maybe I should do it the other way around. Right? So maybe that's what should happen. So we are going to go and select that here. Naturally, we pick one-on-one, right? Now, if we pick one-on-one, we're going to ignore everything on this page. Pick one-on-one, ignore everything on this page. So, now, we're going to go and select one-on-one again, and then we're going to select the evenings, and we're going to be consistent with that. So therefore, if you select evenings, anywhere where you see evenings, you select evenings, or if you're selecting afternoons, you do the same, right? And then we press on next. If only it would respond. Alright, so we have 1 minute 30 left. Okay, so as you can see, you have any 2, any 3, anywhere where you see a plus sign, that this would be your any 2. So you can select this alone and any 2, or this alone and any 2, or if you don't see what you want, you can combine the 2 of your choosing and select any 2 as well. And you do the same thing for any 3. You can select this and any 3, this and any 3, or you combine the ones that you want and you select any 3. And of course, down here you make your confirmation, right? So first you make your selection, and then this will be your confirmation. So when you select 3 at the price of 3, you're getting it for 5 instead of for 9, right? And if you select any 2, you're getting it for 4 instead of for 6, right? And then of course, they're mostly Saturday and Sunday classes, right? Mostly weekends, right? Now we'll do this. Let me see what time we have. Oh, wow, we're almost done. Alright, so now we select no for everything, and I will give you this form at a later time. Let's select no for everything and press submit. There we go. There we go.